George Beyrouthi from FS Securities, a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. And there is the market report for Friday morning, the 13th of December. Friday the 13th, a good day. Well, overnight and from around the globe, we start with Wall Street, where we've seen the Dow in the last hour jumping up 0.8% and giving us a new record high, 221 points higher to 28,132. The broader S&P 500 was up 0.9%, and the Nasdaq Technology Index was up 0.7%, again all-time high. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index, which comprises most major European markets, was up 0.5%, 19 points higher. And in London, the FTSE 100 index was up 0.8%. In Germany, the DAX was up 0.6%. And in Japan, the Nikkei index was up 0.1%. And in Shanghai, in China, the index was down 0.3%. And on our market yesterday, we had a big fall of nearly 44 points or 0.7%. And we closed at 6,709. The futures, according to the futures, we look like we're going to open higher by 29 points to 6,732. Gold was down 90 cents to 1,474 US per ounce. Silver was up 13 cents to $16.98 US per ounce. And West Texas crude oil was up 46 cents to $59.22 US per barrel. And soybeans was up 0.5%. Iron ore price was down 0.7% to $94.02 US per ton. Aluminium was up 0.9% and copper was flat. 21% of our stocks advanced and 31% declined. However, when I look at the volume was slightly lower than the day before. And as a matter of interest, the best performing stock was Santos, up 0.2%, and BHP was flat. Worst performing stock was Telstra, down 2.1%, followed by Bramble, down 1.6%, and Telstra was down 8 cents to $3.69. The Australian dollar was trading at 69.3 US cents, but a few minutes ago it was actually trading at 68.8, 62.06 euro cents, and 51.5 British pence, and 104 New Zealand. Bitcoin was trading at 7,199 US, slightly up from this time yesterday, almost $10 higher. And that converts to approximately 10,382 Australian dollars, down 74 Australian dollars overnight. Now, in terms of what happened in terms of volume, our radar tells us that IAG, that's the old NRMA, had 1% price rise, and the volume was 164 above its average volume, the average volume over 50 days volume. Medibank also had a good day, 1% higher in the price, and the volume was 160% above its volume average. South 32, 1.4% higher in price, and the volume was 153% above its average volume. In the mid-cap, Cooper Energy, it's nearly got nearly $1 billion in market capitalization, a reasonable company, had 1% in the price rise and 171% increase in the volume. And that is all from us here at FS Securities. Please trade safely and wisely and have a fantastic day.